Hey y'all, it's your girl Lala. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna make, for the very first time, some stir-fried curried turnip leaves. Yes guys, it's my first time trying the turnip leaves. So if you have seen my video, I did harvest some turnips from my garden. They were not big, but of course they had so many leaves on them, looking all fresh and beautiful, and I don't want them to go to waste, so I've decided to use them up into a nice dish or a delicious dish. So the turnip leaves, guys, they are very rich in lots of different vitamins, and you can eat them raw in a salad, or you can stir fry them, put them in soup, whatever you want to do with your turnip leaves, you can. So for the very first time, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stir fry these. Now, usually when you buy your turnips at the store, you don't normally get them with leaves. But if you grow your own turnips, you will have some leaves that you can use because they're very rich in various vitamins, okay? So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this cooking experience. Okay guys, so to my oil, so here I have some turmeric powder right here, curry powder, a dash of ginger, some Maggi season, rosemary, and chives. I'm using unsalted butter, okay? Now to this, I'm going to add in my tomatoes, red onions, my pepper, green scallion, garlic, and some chili pepper. And guys, this pepper right here, the sweet pepper, and the chili pepper, I got those from my garden. And my stove is on medium because I don't want my veggies to burn. Also, I'm going to toss in some carrots. And we're going to let this cook for a bit before I put in my turnip leaves. For a bit, guys. So over here, guys, is my hot water. I'm going to cook some yellow yam, and my yellow yam is going to go well with my curried turnip leaves. So guys, now I'm going to add in my turnip leaves. And I did not cut these up into small pieces. Maybe I should have. I'm just going to put them in there. So guys, these are going to cook down, and once it cooks down, I'm going to Stir my pot. So guys, because it's my first time making my turnip leaves, I did not want to cut them into smaller pieces. I just want to have them, you know, whole. So this pretty much is finished. It smells good. So because I didn't cut them, guys, they're a little bit tangled, but that's okay. Pulling it apart with my fork. Okay, trying to separate it a bit. Put that season in there. It smells so good. I did not make a lot. I still have some more of my turnip leaves because it's my first time making it, and I know my children would not eat this. So I'm just making enough for myself. So guys, this is my stir fried curried turnip leaves. Guys, over here I have some salmon seasoned with some Maggi seasoning. So now I'm going to just put them into my pot. So guys, here is my final dish. So this is my curried stir-fry turnip leaves with carrots, served up with some tomatoes, fried salmon, yam, and banana. Here it is. Beautiful, isn't it? Awesome dish. And guys, I did go ahead and taste my turnip leaves and they are very tasty. So guys, next time you plant your turnips, don't throw out your leaves. You can use it to do whatever you want. Stir fry, put it in some soup, or put it in your meat, whatever you want to do, or even in a salad. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for coming and watching. If you're new to my channel, please consider to hit that red subscribe button, because if you now watch your girl Lala, what I do. And to all my returning friends and families, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. It's your girl Lala saying catch you on the next one. Thank you guys. I love you. God bless you. See ya.